Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I'm going to do silver lining tonight. So it is going to be a purple and black and white wave with a silver background. I love this color combination. I'm gonna try to shape maybe the wave just a little bit differently to make it more predominant on the surface of the canvas. I am so excited about this color combination and about using silver as the background. Let's paint. All right, hello everyone. So tonight's piece is going to be, I love the concept, silver up top as a cresting wave. I'm gonna try to come in a little bit with my colors because lately I feel like I was going too far up to the top and my crest was non-existent up there. So I'll see how that goes, but I'm gonna start. I hope I have made enough silver. I have never done silver as the base color before, so hopefully that goes well. And I wanna save a little bit, so I'm hoping that this is gonna stretch. Okay, that actually made it really well, and I'm gonna come on the inside of it here, so that should be enough. I'm not even gonna worry about this being a little bit jagged because I'm gonna blow into there as well. So I have royal purples and black, silver, and white. That's all she wanted for this one. So I am gonna start, I think maybe with my darker purple right up against here. Again, I'm gonna come in there a little bit more. Then ring that on around a few times. Okay. My black will be towards the outer edge. I'm gonna do a little bit in here. Actually, I'm gonna start at this outer edge back here. I didn't want it to be too heavy through here. You guys know how heavy my hand gets when and I used to be a bartender, so just imagine how I make drinks, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go with the lighter purple in here as well. Really get a good amount of that lighter purple in there. Oh, I hope I got enough paint. Now I'm gonna come in with the little bits of silver. Okay. Finish this off with the black at the back. Oh, I hope I have enough. Okay, I might have to mix up just a little bit more purple. And then I'm gonna come in with the white. And I really try to take care with this part in between all the colors, because when it fans out, that's what gives that kind of almost tie-dyed effect. I think this will be enough paint. Won't know unless I do it, right? Okay, wow. I think this is the first time ever that I used up every single color that was in the cup. All right, let's blow this out. Let me torch first. The only thing is that if I have to redo this crest like I've been doing, I'm not gonna have any colors. I may have to make some more, but let's see what happens. Just like I thought, I'm gonna have to do this crest with my finger a little bit. Because especially on such a small canvas, it's very difficult to get that to do right with the blow dryer. And again, I like these to be fun. They don't have to be, you know, to look exactly. But I am gonna draw some of these out. And some of the dark purple in. A lot of these paintings you have to still fiddle with, especially when you're working with a blow dryer. It does not always come out the way that you want it to the very first time. So for this part here, this is the time where I really wish I had just a little bit more of the purple right there. Did pretty good, actually. Just pulling some of this back, basically finger painting it around. Creating the turbulence, basically. Ooh, that is really pretty. Now this part in here, so I wonder. I actually really like this little swirl thing that's going on right there. Wow. I love this one. Did you guys hear that? That was my stomach. I must be hungry. My husband's cooking me dinner. Always got to try to get the crest exactly right, and then some people tell me I mess it up. I think this is really pretty though. I am I'm gonna blow just a little bit up into here. Then I'm gonna use my finger a little bit in here. Basically finger painted part of this. Wow, I think it's beautiful. Okay, I think I've fiddled enough. Maybe one more little fiddle right there. I'm just giving it the same flow, basically. This is gorgeous. Okay. All right, let me show you. How pretty is this? I'm gonna try to go a little bit slower for you. My camera tends to autofocus when I do that, but everybody said their eyes could not keep up. These little clusters of like little flower cells, they're so pretty. I absolutely love it. And I finger painted that tip, and I really like it. All right, I will show you the dried result. Are you kidding me? This is gorgeous. So I had to fiddle just a little bit down there. That is my absolute favorite part. But all the details that are down here, I'm gonna have to get you out of the lights so that you can see them, because that metallic shines so much. But all those little details stayed exactly the same. And that, let me see if I can, that metallic, it dried with like these little, they're not ridges at all. This is totally flat. But I love it when the metallics do this because it gives it almost like it's on a piece of metal. I don't know what it's called, but this is all flat. I don't know if you can see it, but I really, really like it. How beautiful is that? And that tip, all I did was kind of smear my finger there, and it worked perfect. But I could not be more pleased. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye.